Turkey's Bayraktar TB2 drones has become a household in the field of armed UAV in anti-armor role. The performance of this combat UAV has been impressive in the recent conflicts like Syrian war, Libyan war and Azerbaijan and Armenia war. However, the performance of TB2 is yet to be tested in a highly contested air defense network and against a superpower like Russia. The opportunity came for TB2 drone to showcase its lethality in the form of Russian invasion of Ukraine. As per Western media and Ukrainian media, TB2 drone has performed well till date in the war, destroying Russian armor columns, stalling the infantry advance. However, this is one side story of the war. Video footage released by Ukrainian media shown TB2 attacking leftover stationary armored vehicles. Ukraine had an inventory of more than 20 Bayraktar drone purchased from Turkey, and it has a line of sight communication. The operator station had to be within 200 kilometers of drone operating radius. However, the effectiveness of TB2 in Ukraine war was doubted when a long armored column of Russian forces sighted in northwest of Kyiv. This satellite picture indicated that Russian forces did not foresee UACV attack on their armored column, as Ukrainian Air Force and UACV rendered ineffective after the initial missile strikes. The anti-UAV cover to the advancing armored column was given by Russian Tor-M2 air defense system, which has protection range of 2 km to 12 km. The Bayraktar was effective in Armenian conflict because Azerbaijan had first destroyed the air defense network of Armenia by Israeli kamikaze drones. Then Azerbaijan Bayraktar drone was very effective against armored targets when there was no air defense cover. The Russian forces in Ukraine are operating under heavy air defense cover, be it S-400 air defense system, Pantsir air defense system and other infantry-based air defense cover such as Tor-M2 system. The air defense cover is also provided by Russian air superiority aircraft such as Su-30 and Su-35, hence attacking ground targets in such a air dominance network is very much challenging. The footage of TB2 drone targeting Russian armored vehicles and causing heavy destruction, shown by the Western and Ukrainian media, may be partly true and may be part of the propaganda and information warfare to keep the morale of Ukrainian forces high, and show Russian forces as ill-equipped. There is also chance of Russian bombardment of TB2 command center, as these drones are operated by line of sight. Against proper air defense network, the Bayraktar drone is a sitting duck as they fly slow and low. However, the Western media is full of footages showing devastation of Russian armored columns by TB2 drones. These drones could have striked in isolated Russian armored vehicle movements which are not protected by air defense cover or abandoned vehicles. As per Russian news network, the Ukrainian forces had lost around half of their Bayraktar TB2 drone inventory in the 20 days conflict so far, and damaged and downed TB2 drone pictures are being circulated in the social media. As per recent news report, Turkey is preparing to send second lot of these armed drones to Ukraine to face the Russian onslaught. One thing is clear so far: whatever may be the suffering of Ukrainian people and Ukraine as a nation, some of the NATO nation and US in particular are getting good business opportunities by supplying and arming Ukraine against Russia, instead of mediating between the two nations and finding a peaceful solution and ending the war.